Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to find Instagram friends on Threads. So always remember that before you create Threads account, you are given an option to import all the people you follow and all the people who followed you on Instagram. Or you also have the option to not follow them on Threads. So it's like it's different. Okay. So you can follow other people on Instagram, let's just say other friends, and you can also follow other people or friends on Threads. So to search a friend or to search or find Instagram friends on Thread, you just have to simply search their name here. Go to the search icon, type their name, and then follow them. Also, if you forgot their name and you are pretty sure that you follow them on Instagram, you can just simply go back to your profile, okay, and then tap followers, go to following, and you can tap this see all here. That means the people you follow on Instagram, you can see them once you tap the see all and follow them again. That's how easy it is. Okay, so first is you have to search them, and next is you have to go to see all to follow the same accounts you follow on Instagram, or to find the friends or to find Instagram friends that you wanted to follow on Threads. Okay, then once done, all you have to do is to click this, done, and then you can exit. Another thing is that if you scroll down, you can simply see people, suggested people. So maybe you can follow also if they are one of your friends or if you have mutual friends, something like that. So that's it. That's how easy it is to find Instagram friends on Threads. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.